Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show your home location to specific friends on Facebook using your PC with the new update. This is a great way to share your location with the people you trust most while keeping it private from everyone else. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your PC. Go to facebook.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to access the menu. Now that you've accessed the menu, click on your name to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, look for the About section and click on it. This is where you can edit your personal information. In the About section, scroll down until you find Home Location. Next to Home Location, you'll see an icon that represents your current audience setting. It might say Public, Friends, or something else. Click on that icon to change your audience. A menu will pop up with various options. Choose specific friends from the list. This allows you to handpick exactly who can see your home location. Once you've selected specific friends, a box will appear where you can type in the names of the friends you want to share your location with. Start typing their names, and Facebook will suggest friends from your list. Click on each friend you want to add. After you've chosen all the specific friends, click Save Changes. That's it. Only the friends you selected will now be able to see your home location on your Facebook profile. This is especially useful if you want to share your location with close friends or family without making it public to everyone. It gives you more control over your privacy and who sees your information. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Now you know how to show your home location to specific friends on Facebook on PC. Enjoy connecting with your friends and sharing your location securely.